Hello everyone, it's Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and your notification bell. So, I am a Beauty Over 40 channel and today we are checking out the new KVD Good Apple, Good? Why do I keep getting it wrong? Good Apple brand concealer. So, if you want to see a quick demo and hear my thoughts on it, then alright, we're going to be trying out some new concealer today. And I wanted to let you guys know I did find a self-tanner that actually works. For those of you that don't know, I don't tan my face at all anymore or my neck. And I do go to the tanning bed every now and then. And look, we have progress. I'm so excited. I'm not that pale. So I'm going to put on some foundation, but I wanted to show you guys when you're trying to cover up like texture from anything on your skin that has scabbed, whether it be a pimple or it's a lesion from hurting yourself, whatever, hitting your head like I have done before. You want to make sure that that area is moisturized very well because you're going to be putting foundation over it and you do not want the cakiness from texture. So that is why I'm pointing that out to you. Let me get some foundation on and I will be right back. Okay, so being that I am dark, and I bought these concealers before I used the self-tanner. I've got two here. I think I will go ahead and do a separate video on them. The first one I'm going to use is the new KVD Good Apple. I know that the foundation was super popular a while ago, so I am a Beauty Over 40 channel, and guys, if you want to know how to take care of mature skin, then definitely you're going to want to hit that subscribe button before you leave. So this is the concealer, and what I got is Light 107. What I did do is a little color correcting. I can get into that in another video, but being that I am darker, I wanted to lighten things and brighten things up and then conceal where I needed to before putting on concealer, because usually concealers alone cannot cover everything you need. Alright, but this one may surprise us. Oh yeah. See how light that is? Wow. Really, what we want to do here is when you're applying your concealer, you want to make sure you've used an eye cream if you are over 35. And you need a damp beauty blender because you don't want it to fall into creases. Ooh. Yeah, you can tell that self-tanner works. I'll definitely do a self-tanning video so you guys can see it next time. I was not expecting it to work this fast or this well. Okay. Coverage is pretty good. It's blending out nicely. Again, I've got a damp beauty blender. Look at that. Covered that right up. That's awesome. Alright. Now, I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to use this concealer, even though it's real light, because I want to see the coverage. So let's do it. Let's place concealer where the YouTubers do, because that's how most of you are doing it. We do want to highlight portions of the face. Let's see how well this hides my little cut there. As you can see, not much is going to cover that completely, but what I have to do is I have to hit it again with a second layer of green for color correcting. It's a little red, little black. I might even have to go in with a different color to completely conceal it. And then we want to set this concealer and see how it wears. Okay, let's go in with Jaclyn Cosmetics setting powders. I like the almond and the caramel. We're using this to set the concealer. Now we need to go over the face with powder for more than one reason. And you can actually use like a foundation powder. I would recommend it if you need a little extra coverage or if you're trying to hide some things. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, okay, let's try it. I like to use the Alamar bronzer brush for this. It's like the perfect size. And the way that this brush is, it kind of really gets into the skin. And we need to add some color to that concealer. So, this will do it. That is the color of the minerals, just in case you needed to see. Okay guys, so let me know what you think of the new KVD. What was it called? Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer. So far, I'm liking it. Not bad. It didn't really sink into lines. Maybe a tad bit started to, but I did wait to set it, which can usually be an issue. So that might be why, but overall the coverage is pretty good, and you definitely, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing concealer. And that's a good thing, because sometimes even when I'm finished and I've only put on a light bit of foundation, I'll still feel it, and it's like, oh, I want to take my makeup off. You know that feeling? I don't feel that. And it's been a minute. It's been a few hours, so I'm liking it. That's not too bad. I'll definitely have to give you guys updates. I'm going to continue to use it. I did also pick up the new Benefit Boing, I believe, concealer. We're going to be trying out that soon. Do I have to, would I say I recommend it for $28? I think so. I do like the wand too. The wand is like filled with product, so you don't have to worry about it getting dry. Obviously, the more you use it, I would wonder how this would work out, because it's like got this position where there's tons of concealer as soon as you pull it out on it, which I think is really neat. And this is the first time I've seen a wand work that way, so I'm kind of liking that. And overall, it's a nice, lightweight, pretty good coverage concealer. $28 it was. A little on the expensive side. Again, KVD brand, usually pretty good. So I'm liking that. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Did you pick up this concealer? Did you get the benefit? If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you take a chance on this channel. And if you enjoy reviews and makeup tutorials and all things beauty, then you've come to the right place. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you real soon down in the comments and in another video. Bye!